course, Mayor Kimara Olaso. And thank you for joining us po for the opening and the ribbon cutting of the Easy Drugstore, which is part of the Easy Business and Events Place dito po sa East Coast and Barangay Balikaan. So I'll give the mic to you po for a short message. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for inviting me here today. It's an honor to be here today with you, especially during the ribbon cutting of the East Drugstore. So, it's another development for Zamboanga City, another investment. I'm very proud of you, ever since the Pasiki going to East Coast, the real estate, because there is a building on the wall. It means to say Zamboanga City is going up, rising up. But, again, and to continuously do it, and in order to do that, we have to maintain peace and order in Zamboanga City. So I've given the directive to the Philippine National Police of Tayo, the construction of building at Cacao. Pagaluhay. To put it on hold. Kasi community, nakita tierra, may makita mo di LHA. So tayo, originally, barangay Philippine National Police Teatro na Malikaan. So we bring it back to Malikaan.
May lakot si Elena.
Actually, kagawad ni Elena requested me that for a very long time.
Kayo naman. I love you, Mayor.
Construction of police station will be done in Barangay Balikaan. Protection and security. Na-represent sa bata yung sa African police station, nabasali niya Pamilya Paranya. So, yung Kabaluwa is very useful yan, ha? Sa waypoint po siya. So, ang muna natin nakita, yung kaya pala sa system, kaya kayo po sa kita pala sa community, kaya sa kita. So, kaya thank you so much again.
Thank you.